Welcome to Ask and Learn.
All right, so here we are to prove that the log of n factorial is greater than 1/4 of n log n for n greater than 4. Okay, so we'll start by letting n be greater than 4. All right, then we know that the log of n factorial is equal to the log of n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 all the way down to 2 times 1, right? By definition of factorial. We're going to use the fact that the log of a product is going to be equal to the sum of the log of each of those independently, right? So log of x times y is the log of x times the log of y. We'll apply it here, so this gives us being equal to log of n plus the log of n plus 1 all the way, so on and so forth, to the log of 2 plus the log of 1. All right, well, this must be greater than or equal to, right, the larger half of the list. Okay, so that's going to be less than or equal to log of n plus log of n plus 1. And half the list would be, well, I guess it'd be log of n over 2. All right, well, this is also going to be less than or equal to the same number of expressions, but where all of them are n over 2, right? So we're going to get log of n over 2 plus log of n over 2 plus log of n over 2. And we're doing this exactly, it turns out, n over 2 times. So this is n over 2 times the log of n over 2. Okay, well, this here, and I should note the little rule here, right? So move to a new page. It turns out that the log of n over 2 is greater than 1/2 the log of n when n is greater than 4. Well, great. We assume that n was greater than 4, right? So therefore, our n over 2 log of n over 2 that we left off with is actually going to be greater than n over 2 times 1/2 log of n. Well, this is equal to n over 4 log n, which of course is equal to 1/4 n times log n, right? But if we go to our first page, that is what we're looking for, right? So we started with the log of n factorial and showed that it was indeed strictly greater than this 1/4 n times log n. So that concludes the proof.